guys, it's Carrie Brunin, physical therapist at Wellness Revolution. I've had a few people ask me how I make my homemade laundry detergent, and so I'm going to make a new batch. It's Sunday. We need to get the week laundry done. You're not going to need too many things. Go to the store, Target or grocery store. You'll get some borax, some washing soda. You can choose to get Dr. Bronner's Castile soap, which I like to use the best. There's different scents. I'm using a lavender one right now. It looks like this. And any kind of really good therapeutic grade essential oils. I like lemongrass and orange. So all you do is you get your soap, your grater, start to grate your soap. I will use equal parts of the borax and the washing soda. And so for 2 cups of each put in there, I will use a whole bar of soap. Put your essential oils in, mix it, and you're ready to go. And that's non-toxic, chemical-free, really good for your family laundry detergent.